Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In today's video, I will show you how to disable the notification sound for a specific app in Windows 11 using the built-in settings into Windows 11. Notifications are certainly necessary to stay informed, but sometimes the constant alert sounds can be annoying, especially when you are working, playing, or watching a video. Fortunately, Windows 11 allows you to mute notifications for individual apps while keeping visual alerts active. So I will show you how to disable the notification sound for a specific application in the simplest way possible. So, the first thing you have to do is open Windows 11 Settings, which is the main control center for customizing system preferences. And to access the notification settings, click on the System tab in the left panel, as this section contains settings related to system performance and notifications. On the right side, select Notifications, as this section controls how Windows 11 handles notifications from applications installed on your computer. We have an option at the top. If you disable it, it will disable notifications from apps and other senders on all installed and available applications on your computer. When you scroll down, you will notice that this option has disabled the notification sound for all applications. But if you want to disable the notification sound for a specific app, enable notifications again. Then scroll down, and here, as you can see, you have a list of all the apps that send notifications. Through this list, search for the specific application for which you want to disable the notification sound, and you can disable or stop it according to your preferences. You can also click on the name of the application for which you want to disable the notification sound to open its detailed notification settings. Scroll down and search for the option Play a sound when a notification arrives. If you enable this option, it will disable the sound while keeping the visual notification active. Thus, you can disable the notification sound for this app, which is OneDrive. Enable or disable it according to your preferences. This setting ensures that you continue to receive notifications for the app, but without the accompanying sound alert. After turning off the notification sound or leaving it as is, simply close the settings window. The changes you made are automatically saved, so there is no need to press the Apply or Save button. This is a great way to reduce distractions without missing important notifications. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for more useful technical tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.